Hi. Managing multiple social media profiles can get overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be that way. Now you can simplify your social media management with RADAAR. All you need to do is to sign up to RADAAR by choosing the subscription plan that suits your needs. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. Once you sign up, you will reach to RADAAR's simple, straightforward, and easy-to-use dashboard. But before you start using its features, you should first connect your social media profiles to RADAAR. To do this, go to the settings of your workspace from the menu on the left and navigate to the Channels tab. From here, you can easily connect your social media profiles to RADAAR. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. If you are working as a crowded team, you can invite your teammates to RADAAR and grant access on a per-feature basis. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. You have connected your social media profiles and invited your teammates, and now you are ready to use all the features of RADAAR. We know very well how important messages sent through social media channels are to you, and how difficult it is to manage these messages. With the social inbox, you can easily manage all incoming messages and comments via your social media profiles from single dashboard. When you connect your social media profiles first time to RADAAR, it starts to get comments and messages after that point. Not getting previous comments and messages. If you like to test it, please send a test message or test comment, maybe an emoji, to one of your social media profile. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. Whether you're B2C, B2B, a non-profit, or a government department, what people think and feel about your organization is important to you. With the social monitoring, you can follow every brand-relevant keyword, spot critical mentions, and respond with speed before potential crises flare up. All you have to do is create queries for the keywords you want to follow. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. It is very difficult to create a content calendar, even for a month, and make it ready for publish. With the scheduler, you can plan and publish your content for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn from one simple dashboard. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So you should measure the impact of all your efforts to grow your reach, engagement, and get insights into your audience's perceptions and demographics. You can create meaningful reports with the analytics. So you can see what you should do to grow your reach, engagement, and even sales. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. Many brands mean many accounts mean many passwords. We know how difficult it is to keep all these passwords, keep them up to date, share them with teammates when necessary. Moreover, you should make sure that these passwords are stored securely. With the Password Vault, you can store all of your passwords in a secure place, collaborate with colleagues, track all changes, and view activity logs. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. Have you ever tried to share a link to your latest blog post and realized it was long and ugly and exceeded the Twitter character count? With the URL shortener, you can create, manage, and track branded short links to improve the click-through rate. You can use this feature integrated with the social inbox and scheduler features. If you wish, you can connect your own custom domain to make your links more eye-catching. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. With the Guest Manager, you can invite your clients as guests to review, accept, reject, or give feedback on your scheduled content. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. Whether you work alone or as a crowded team, it's very difficult if you don't keep track of how things are going. With the Task Manager, you can use flexible Kanban boards to plan, organize, and manage your team's tasks so everyone knows who's doing what. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. You can manage all your subscriptions under the billing. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. If you want to change the subscription plan of your workspace, you can do so from the Subscription tab under Settings. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. Again, you can easily track your invoices from the Invoices tab. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. You can manage all preferences related with your user account under the My Profile. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. If you need any help, you can check out the Need Help? Or you can easily contact us by clicking the Send Support message button. Finally, please note that if you manage social media profiles of more than one brand and do not want them to interfere with each other, you can have several workspaces under your user account. Thus, you can manage all your brands, their social media profiles, and related teammates separately from each other through the same dashboard. Don't forget to check out the related how-to video. We have gone through almost all the details about RADAAR. But remember, every day we work hard to improve RADAAR a little more and make your life a little easier. Do not forget to follow us on our social media channels to be aware of these developments. Hi. To start using RADAAR, you should first create a user account. Creating a user account on RADAAR is easy peasy lemon squeezy. For this, all you have to do is click on the sign up button on our website. In this way, you will be registered with the free starter plan. If you wish, you can choose the subscription plan that suits you from the pricing page and register. You don't have to decide this right away. You can change your subscription plan at any time after registration. Don't forget to check out our other tutorial videos to learn how to do this. After clicking the sign up button, you should enter your name, email address, and password correctly. Then, you can click the sign up button to complete the registration process. This is how easy it is to register to RADAAR. RADAAR automatically remembers you next time. Thus, you do not have to enter your email address and password over and over again. If you have logged into RADAAR from a public device, do not forget to sign out after you are done. To do this, all you have to do is click the sign out button under the My Profile tab. If you only want to exit that device, you can click the sign out button again. If you want to log out of all previously logged devices, just click the From All Devices button. To log back in, you can enter your email address and password and click the Sign In button. If you somehow forget your password, click the Forgot Password button on the login screen. In the screen that opens, enter your email address and click the Send button. You will then receive an email with the link where you can change your password. If this email doesn't drop your inbox, please make sure to check your junk emails folder. To change your password, click on the Change Your Password button in this email. In the window that opens, you can enter your new password and click the Renew button to change your password and log in. We have gone through all the details of how you can register to RADAAR. But remember, every day we are working hard to improve RADAAR a little more, and to make your life a little easier. Do not forget to follow us on our social media channels to be informed about these developments. You can take a look at the other training videos we have prepared to use RADAAR more effectively. Hi. With RADAAR's affordable pricing model, you can increase, decrease or cancel your subscription plan whenever you want, according to your needs. To have a subscription on RADAAR, you should first have a user account and a workspace. Don't forget to check out our other tutorial videos to learn how to do all of these. You can easily manage the subscription plan of a workspace from the Subscription tab in the Settings menu of that workspace. In this section, you can view all the details of your current subscription. For example, you can see how many social media profiles you can connect, how many teammates you can invite, or how many posts you can publish per month from here. If you see Upgrade Plan 4, one of the features here, it means that your current plan does not support this feature. In other words, you cannot use this feature on this plan. You can also see the billing cycle and renewal date of your subscription plan from here. And finally, you can see how much you will pay. If you wish, you can change your subscription plan by clicking the Change Subscription Plan button. You can easily switch to another subscription plan from the pop-up window. Or you can increase or decrease the resources allowed by your existing subscription plan according to your needs. Thus, when your needs increase, you can continue to use RADAAR by paying only as much as you need, without having to upgrade to a higher plan. You can choose the billing cycle annually so you can benefit from a 20% discount. If you are sure after making all the changes, simply press the Change button to update your subscription plan. If you have previously entered a payment method and it has already started, the changes will be reflected in your subscription as soon as you click the Change button. If you've reached the end of your trial period and want to start your paid subscription, first of all, we recommend that you update your billing address information. If you are a non-profit organization and have a discount coupon, you can enter it in the discount coupon section. Finally, you can start your subscription by entering your credit card information in the payment management section. As soon as you enter your payment method information, your credit card will be charged as much as your subscription fee and your subscription will start. Unfortunately, we currently only accept payment by credit card. If you want to pay with PayPal, you can use PayPal's virtual card service, PayPal Key. Please do not forget to take a look at the training video we prepared on this subject. If you switch from a lower plan to a higher plan, the difference will be charged to your credit card immediately. If you switch from a higher plan to a lower plan, the difference will be automatically deducted from the amount due in the next billing period. Please note that fees are non-refundable. You can delete your payment method at any time. If you delete your payment method or if you do not have enough balance, your subscription fee will not be charged and will not be renewed. When your subscription is ended, you can still access your workspace and see your data, but new messages will not be handled and your posts will not be published. If for some reason the fee cannot be charged, the payment gateway will try to withdraw 4 more times within 1 week. If your subscription cannot be renewed, unfortunately, your workspace and all the data in it will be deleted after 1 month. You can delete your workspace at any time by clicking the Delete Workspace button. When you delete your workspace, your subscription will cancel immediately, and therefore no new fee will be charged. We've gone over all the details on how you can manage your subscription. But remember, every day we work hard to improve RADAAR a little more, and make your life a little easier. Do not forget to follow us on our social media channels to be aware of these developments. You can take a look at other training videos we have prepared to use RADAAR more effectively.